Do you know short-form videos have taken over social media in recent years? According to HubSpot's latest marketing strategy and trends report, short-form video content's popularity will continue to rise in 2023, with 90% of global marketeers increasing or maintaining their investment in short-form videos this year and beyond. And people spend 4.5 hours daily on short, stories, and reels videos. So if you're willing to tapping into billions of hungry buyers and making huge profits by creating short stories and reels videos that convert visitors into customers with no tech skills or a huge investment, then please pay close attention to this short informative video. But before moving forward, let me share some mind-blowing stats on why marketers are tapping into billions of hungry buyers and making huge profits with a finger snap by using shorts, reels, and story videos across the globe, which takes few seconds to create. 1. People spend 4.5 hours daily on short stories and reels videos. 2. 21% of marketers will tap into short-form video for the first time in 2023. 3. Short-form video and revenue will surpass $10 billion. 4. Short video content gets 48% more views on social media. 5. 73% of customers prefer watching a short-form video to find out about a service or a product. 6. Video content on Instagram receives 49% higher engagement rates. 7. Average TikTok user spends 26 minutes on the platform per day. 8. Short-form video has the highest ROI of any social media marketing strategy. 9. Video traffic will make up 82% of worldwide internet traffic. So if you're an affiliate marketer, email marketer, product creator, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing arena, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting VidPulse AI. World's first AI-powered tech lets you generate attention-grabbing shorts, reels, and stories videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok in under 60 seconds without any tech skills or video editing skills. With this in your marketing arsenal, you can create mind-blowing short, reels, and stories videos, etc., and ultimately tap into a vast untapped pool of over 2.5 billion hungry buyers today. You're just 3 easy steps away to create shorts, stories, and reels videos. Number 1, log in VidPulse AI app. Number 2, choose DeFi template and create short stories and reels videos. Number 3, share and generate huge traffic, leads, and sales. Here are some of its amazing features. First, a universe technology to create attention-grabbing stories and drives hordes of hungry buyers. Create your own mind-blowing shorts, reels, and stories videos in under 60 seconds. Create amazing stories using 50+ DeFi shorts, reels, and stories videos templates. Create soul-soothing videos with 100+ premium quality music. Create YouTube shorts videos in 100+ different languages. Automatically create Instagram Reels videos in 100+ different languages. Create Facebook Stories videos in 100+ multiple languages. Convert visitors into customers by adding powerful automation, animation, and stories. Use artificial intelligence to generate shorts, reels, and stories video scripts in one click, zero manual work needed. Generate unique shorts, reels, and stories videos ideas in a flash. Smoothly edit any image using advanced editor like a pro. Zero prior video creation, zero facing camera, and zero hard work needed. Give 50+ beautiful looking fronts to choose for your stories. Give personalized feel in every video using 100+ human-like voiceover. Add your own custom music to give an unforgettable experience. Download or share your shorts, reels, and stories in one click. Get easy-to-use editor to drag and drop shorts, reels, and stories videos editor. Copy the exact formula used by top Fortune 500 companies to tap into tens of thousands of buyers without spending a dime extra. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. And I haven't mentioned the coolest part. Only for the early action takers, we're offering limited time commercial licenses to provide top-notch shorts, videos, reels, and other high-in-demand services to tons of hungry customers and keep 100% of the profits yourself. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period is over, VidPulse AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab VidPulse AI today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.